Could the key to mastering SEO in 2024 be as simple as leveraging first-hand experience and building topical authority? Well, the answer might surprise you. Consider the case of Green Thumb, a small gardening blog started by a passionate horticulturist named Emma. Emma's blog began as a humble online diary where she documented her gardening experiences and shared her knowledge with anyone interested in plants. Over time, Emma realized that her blog was more than just a hobby. She noticed that her posts were ranking higher in search engine results, and her organic traffic was growing steadily. The reason? Emma was unknowingly building topical authority by sharing her first-hand experiences in gardening. So what is topical authority and how does it impact SEO? Topical authority refers to the depth of knowledge and expertise a website or content creator has on a specific topic. Search engines like Google prioritize sites with high topical authority because they offer valuable, in-depth information to users. In Emma's case, her blog was filled with detailed posts about different plant species, gardening tools, and organic farming techniques. She didn't just write about gardening, she lived it, and that authenticity shone through in her content, helping her build strong topical authority. But how did Emma leverage her first-hand experience for SEO success? She did so by focusing on three key areas: user intent, content quality, and backlinks. Firstly, Emma understood her readers' intent. She knew they were looking for practical gardening advice based on real-life experiences, not just generic information. So she tailored her content to answer her readers' specific questions and needs. Secondly, Emma prioritized content quality. She didn't just churn out blog posts. She took the time to research, fact-check, and ensure that every piece of content was valuable to her readers. This commitment to quality helped her stand out from other gardening blogs and boosted her SEO ranking. Finally, Emma worked on building backlinks. She reached out to other gardening bloggers and websites, offering to guest post or share her content. These backlinks from reputable sites further established Emma's topical authority and improved her SEO performance. By leveraging her first-hand experience in building topical authority, Emma transformed her small gardening blog into a thriving online community. Her story is a testament to the power of authenticity and expertise in SEO. In conclusion, mastering SEO in 2024 involves understanding user intent, prioritizing content quality, and building backlinks. But more importantly, it requires leveraging first-hand experiences and building topical authority, just like Emma did with her gardening blog. Remember, in the ever-evolving world of SEO, authenticity and expertise are not just desirable, they are essential. So, whether you're a small blog or a large business, think about how you can leverage your own experiences and knowledge to build topical authority. Because, as Emma's story shows, that could just be the key to your SEO success.